Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to the Google Cloud Console and from this left-hand side menu and from IAM and admin, open this IAM in new tab. Then wait for some time to get the all data loaded. Now simply scroll down a little bit and for this name we have to make some changes. For this name, computer engineer default service account. Okay, so you will get this option maybe in first only. So click on this edit principal. For this computer engine default service account, click on this edit and then click on this add another role. For this role, come back to the lab instruction page, click on this setup and requirement, scroll down little bit and from this permission to service account you will get this role. Copy this role, storage admin, paste it here in this filter box and hit enter and then select this first option, storage admin. Then click on save. After this, let's move to the task. Come on to the task number 1, copy this name, Datapros, paste it here in search box and open this first option in new tab. Then click on this cluster which is there in this left hand side menu. Click on this cluster. Then click on this create cluster and select the first option, cluster on computer engine. Now for cluster name, come back to the lab instruction page. From task number 1, scroll down little bit and from point number 3 of task number 1, you will get this table. So copy this name, paste it here in the name and for location, I have to select US based 1 and for zone US based 1A. So US based 1, US based 1A. After this, come back, click on this configure node. See, there are two nodes. One is manager node, and when you will click on this arrow, you will get here worker nodes. So we will configure the manager node first. So simply click on this arrow, drop down arrow, and scroll down little bit. You will get here primary disk type option. So click on this and select a standard persistent disk. After this, click on this series and select E2. Then for machine type, select this E2 standard 4. Okay, done. So we are done with the manager node. So simply collapse this node by clicking on this arrow, then come on to the worker nodes. For this, scroll down little bit. Again, you will get here a primary disk type option. Click on this and again select this standard persistent disk. Now for series, click on E2. Then for machine type, select this E2 standard 2. Then scroll down little bit. You will get this option, primary disk size. Select this and make it to 100. Then click on this customize cluster and uncheck this box. Then simply click on this create. Now wait for green tick here. It takes maybe almost 1 or 2 minutes to get the green tick here. So wait for the green tick. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. It literally takes some time, like 2 to 3 minutes to get the green tick here. After getting green tick, let's move to the another task. So click on this jobs from this left hand side menu and then click on this submit job. For job ID, come back to the lab instruction page, click on the task number 2, scroll down a little bit. From point number 3 of task number 2, copy this cluster name, paste it here in job ID. For reason, I have to select US based one. Then for job type, select Spark. Then come back to the lab instruction page, copy this first link, which is main class or jar. Copy this, come back to the Google Cloud Console and paste it here in the box main class or jar. Then for jar file, again come back to the lab instruction page, copy this name, copy this location, then come back to the lab, come back to the Google Cloud Console, paste it here in jar file. Then again come back to the lab instruction page, copy this argument, copy this only number 1000, copy this number only, then come back to the Google Cloud Console, paste it here in arguments. Okay, wait. So for cluster, select this cluster. Okay. Now you can simply click on submit. Now wait for green tick here. After getting green tick, we are completed with this lab. So wait for the green tick. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Then come back to the lab instruction page. You can simply click on the check my progress for task number 2 and 1. You will get the green tick here. So they've got the green tick for task number 2. Now for task number 1. So we have got the green tick on task number 1 also. So we have completed with this lab. You can simply end the lab from here. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the tutorial video, then simply hit the like and subscribe.